चलिए रेडी स्टार्ट। ये हो गया आपका पूछा हुआ पैसेज है पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट में 2017 में 5/6/2017 में जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था स्टेनो का पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट में, वही पैसेज है ये। और जो एग्ज़ाम में पूछा गया था वही पैसेज है। इसको हम 90 to 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट इसको बोलते हैं। इसको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करके कल भेजिएगा। ओके रेडी स्टार्ट। मोबाइल नंबर 9507142555। और आप लोग 8:30 से पहले आप लोग ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करके भेज दीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप पे। सभी लोग, कुछ लोग एब्सेंट हो जाते हैं बिना कोई इंटीमेशन के, कोई लोग इंटीमेशन देते हैं, तो आप लोग केयर कीजिए, ठीक है। अगर एब्सेंट होना हो तो मैसेज कर दीजिए, टाइप करके टाइम से भेज दीजिएगा। ओके रेडी स्टार्ट। By the impugned order, the High Court cancelled the anticipatory bail granted by the Sessions Judge Stop. This court, while issuing notice, put a stake on the operation of the impugned order Stop. The order of Sessions Judge granting anticipatory bail thus has remained operative. Stop. We heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the order of the High Court. Stop. Earlier, this court held that rejection of bail in a non-bailable case at the initial stage and the cancellation of bail so granted have to be considered and dealt with on different bases. Stop. The satisfaction of the court on the basis of material placed on the record of the possibility of the accused running is yet another reason justify the cancellation of bail. Stop. Very strong circumstances are necessary for an order directing the cancellation of the bail already granted. Stop. Genuinely speaking, the grounds for cancellation of bail broadly are interference or attempt to interfere with the due course of administration of justice or attempt to fit the due course of the stress of abuse of the concession granted to the accused in any manner. Stop. The complainant approach the High Court for cancellation of anticipatory bail granted by Sessions Judge to the appellant. Stop. Although the High Court did notice in the impugned order that the consideration which should be in the mind of the court while considering the prayers for grant of bail is not the same for the purpose of cancellation of bail, yet we find that these considerations were not kept in mind, and the order of the Sessions Judge granting anticipatory bail was set aside. Stop. However, bail once granted should not be cancelled in a mechanical manner without considering whether any circumstances have rendered it no longer helpful to a fair trial to allow the accused to retain his freedom by enjoying the sessions of bail during the trial. Stop. These principles were lost sight of by the High Court when it decided to cancel the bail which has already been granted. Stop. The High Court, it appears to us, overlooked the distinction of the factors relevant for rejecting bail in a non-bailable case in the first instance and the cancellation of bail already granted. Stop. There is nothing on record that there has been interference or attempt to interfere with the due course of administration of justice by the appellant. Stop. It also does not appear from the record that concession. Stop. Finish. चलिए ये आप टाइप कीजिए और टाइम से आप लोग सेंड कर दीजिएगा। ये बहुत ही अच्छा पैसेज था ये, है ना। चलिए ओके।